Hi! Oh, the lens cap was on. Haha! I am very good at this. Hi guys, welcome back. It's about to get ridiculous in here. I wanted to do something a little more fun and I saw a video, the cherry doll face. She put her makeup on with her left hand. I'm barefaced today and I'm right-handed, but in today's video, I'm gonna put my makeup on with my left hand. Woohoo! I'm gonna do a very simple, something I can do with my left hand makeup. I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics. I cannot even squirt it out onto my face. It's not really cheating. I mean, I use it with my right hand, but I'm gonna use my Clarisonic. Oh, this is weird. Like, I can't even... Okay. Okay, blend. Okay, you're setting me up for success. Thanks, Clarisonic. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I didn't really set up my table very nicely before I started this process, so I'm just gonna use whatever's over here. I'm gonna use a brush and this Sephora concealer. Wow. Oh my. Oh, that's... Oh, okay. I don't even know how to hold it. It's weird. Oh wow, that's very aggressive. Wow, you know what's gonna be fun is when I get to the eyebrows. Holy moly. Why am I holding it like this? We're far away, so it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna set with Coty Airspun. Damp Beauty Blender. Tap it right on here like usual. I feel like I don't know what to do. Like it feels like somebody else is doing my makeup, but you know, like badly. Ow. Oh. Just got my eye. That will do, I guess. Okay, it's time to warm up the face. We're gonna use this cheek parade. Oh, this is gonna be tragic. Okay, so I pointed powder brush. I'm just gonna dip into Hoola. Oh, okay, not so bad. Not so bad. Right? I feel like, I mean, it just really feels like somebody else's hands. Blush. I feel like I'm picking up a lot. I can't. Oh, that's not terrible, right? Look at this technique, man. Now, it's time for brows with a left hand. Here's the thing, I'm gonna go ahead and justify this. My dip brow that I have on hand is starting to dry out, so I'm setting myself up for failure there, so I'm gonna use a pencil. We're gonna use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the color number 2. Oh no. Ha! How do I fix it? I got distracted because you can't hear it, but there's an ice cream truck out there. I can hear it! It's playing the song of my people. Let's move on to the... Wow, this is gonna be worse. How do you hold this? Oh, lefties. Bless you. Okay. Alright. Okay. Wow, that's aggressive. That is aggressive! You know what? Okay, less is more. Less is more, right? Yep. We're just gonna stop. Ooh, man, I haven't used that pencil in a long time. It's actually pretty awesome. I forgot how cool it was. Okay, let's do a little bit of eyeshadow. We're gonna use the Naked Heat palette because you know I love it. Let's go all over the lid with this color right here. The second one in. Chaser. Okay, strange. Wow, I do not know how to hold a brush with my left hand. I feel like I'm holding the brush steady and like moving my face around. Okay, let's go in the crease, guys. Let's go ahead in with the low blow right here. Hello. I literally cannot blend. I do not. It's like I have no control. Man, if I lost a hand, the right one, I'd be in trouble, you guys. Okay, let's go underneath a little bit. It's a little raccoonish. I feel like I look like I just left a Tim Burton movie. Let's deepen up that crease. And fuego. Oh, tell you what I am doing is when I tap my brush into the pan, I don't have any control over like how the pressure. So I'm kind of wrecking this eyeshadow palette right now. I cannot do little circles. It's like I don't understand the motion over here. How's that? How's that? I'm really trying, okay? Like I'm really trying hard. How's that blend? Mascara, y'all. Let's go with Benefit Roller Lash, just because it's over here. Let's see how quickly I can poke my eyeball out. Wow, that was much more effective than I thought it was gonna be. Still have two eyes that work. For lips, we're gonna use this Buxom full-on lip polish in the color Trixie. I mean, I'm kind of cheating because there's no lip liner, there's no lipstick, so sue me. Not bad. What did I forget? Probably a lot of things. This is a win, okay? Now the reason that I really wanted to do it is, number one, it's fun, and number two, I started thinking about like, what if I lost the ability to use my dominant hand? Like, what if I got hurt and had to wear a cast or something like that? Like, has that happened to you? Tell me about it. This was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be, but I also did not do liner, lip liner, or lashes. That is crazy talk. I mean, let's not inspect it too close. Okay, thanks so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. If you liked it, please tell me with a thumbs up. You can leave a comment down below. If you're new here, consider subscribing. You can also follow me on all the socials. I put out a new video here on YouTube every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay. Poop. Okay. Sure. What color is this? How did it even fucking do this? Have you guys ever tried to do something like this? Oh. What the fuck? Holy hair. That was disgusting. Hello? Fucking cat hairs everywhere.